Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 11 June 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note around 25,200 and witnessed volatile swings during the initial hour with movement on both sides. However, the index traded in a narrow range post that between 25,100 to 25,150 as momentum faded due to lack of follow-up buying. It formed a bearish candle on the daily chart with a longer lower shadow, indicating buying at the lower levels and continuing its sequence of higher highs from the last 5 trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 5% to 14 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.97. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,600 to 25,600 zones, while immediate range is in between 24,900 to 25,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,300 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,113 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio is hovering near 20%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest now Nifty has to hold above 25,000 for an up move towards 25,400, while support has shifted higher to 24,850 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,500 for an up move towards 57,000, while support can be seen at 56,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Grasim, Dr. Reddy, Dal Bharat, Persistent and Coforge, while some weakness could continue in REC, Bank of Baroda, Piramal and DMart. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.